Hey, what's going on, guys? If you guys are coming in San Antonio and need somewhere to stay, I got something a little bit different for you, man. So today we're not showcasing a house that we're selling, the house tour that we always do. Today we're doing an Airbnb. So that's for you, this is for you guys. Victor Hernandez, don't forget to like, subscribe my videos, and we'll show you what's going on. So this weekend, we were out here in Fredericksburg, Texas, which is about an hour and 20 minutes away. It's a German town. Has over 50 wineries up in the hill country of Texas. And my wife and I and the family, we were able to stay in this Airbnb here, guys. Plenty of parking, plenty of room. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So, although it's not for sale, I want to show you guys when you guys do come to San Antonio and want to take a small ride uptown, need somewhere to stay. 406 Plum in Fredericksburg, Texas. It's the one, guys. Again, 3 minutes away from downtown, 3 minutes away from the grocery store. Beautiful, smart home, no key needed. 3 minutes. We walked to church this morning with my family. Original wood floors. Every room has windows and ceiling fans. Lots of light. All right, we'll show you the bathroom here, guys. There's a shower in the back. Beautiful bathroom, very, very clean. Everything was pleasant during our stay, guys. There's 2 rooms, like I mentioned. This would be room number 1. And this will be room number 2 in here. Very cozy. Again, my kids, small kids, we had a great time here. Everything you need is here. They have everything for plates to dishes and pans and pots and everything, guys. The host is amazing. She did a great job hosting us. Everything we needed, she was there. She provided information before we got here. She kept us well informed. I highly recommend it. She has a beautiful kitchen, guys. Now my wife wants me to go home and give her a new sink. Let's go. All right, again, guys, just cozy home. Everything you need is here. No need to move, mess around. I'll show you guys the backyard. There's plenty of parking, but there is area for you to enjoy your family back here. It's a dog-friendly stay. It's an Airbnb. It's a dog-friendly, guys. So there's over 50 wineries, guys. We were here for the weekend. We were able to try a few. The H-E-B store has amazing selection. Rubber mulch, lots of shade. Well-made fencing, guys. No need to worry about your dog getting out or your kids getting out. Everything is iron made perfect, guys. Again, just had a really good experience. Just wanted to share it. It's not the regular video that we do, but if you guys are gonna come down from San Antonio, you guys are gonna come down. You guys need to come down and try the Napa Valley of Texas. All right, guys. Lots of shades. Lots of opportunity here in Fredericksburg, Texas. If you guys are looking for somewhere to stay while you guys come down to San Antonio and somewhere to do while you guys are having fun, you guys need to stay at 406 Plum. Thank you.